Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE RedMagic 6R and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers, and the first one requires a secret code and this way is the fastest one, and the second is using the settings. Of course I'll show you both and I'd like to begin with the secret code. So let's open the dialer, and here we have to enter the code, which is *06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another way, the second way to check those numbers. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work, and also if you want to check the serial number, because as you can see in the secret code way we did not have the serial number, only the IMEIs. So let's enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and here we have to find Status. So let's tap on it, and as you can see right here we've got the IMEI information, so simply tap on it, and here we've got two different IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and if you want to check the serial number, just go back to the status and the serial number will appear right here. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your ZTE RedMagic 6R. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.